Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to my art and work education class. Myself Shomidon sir, and today we are back with a new topic, Madhubani art. So it is a very popular form of art and I hope it is well known to you. So all of you just take out your page, your color pencil, your art paper and the colors as well as the drawing black pen if you have, and get ready for the painting. First of all, I will discuss about Madhubani painting and then I will provide you one video on Madhubani painting, how to draw, where I have drawn one beautiful peacock of Madhubani art. So let's start. What is Madhubani art? Madhubani art is a style of Indian painting practiced in Mithila region of Indian subcontinent. It is a very popular form of Indian painting, and mainly this region is mainly found in the states now at present the province of Bihar, Jharkhand. This painting is done with a variety of tools including finger, twigs, brushes, nib pens and matchsticks, and using natural dyes and pigment. So they are using the natural dye or the color and the pigment, and with the help of different types of tools by using hands or fingers or twigs, brushes or nib pens, matchsticks. These types of instruments or these types of things are used to make this Madhubani art. The village people of that particular locality, when there is no availability of the modern things, on that time they used to those things which are easily available to them. So those things they used to do the painting. It is characterized by its eye-catching geometrical pattern, several types of geometrical pattern which is very eye-soothing or very attractive. There is a ritual content for particular occasion such as birth or marriage and festivals like Holi, Surya Sashti, Kali Puja, Durga Puja. On several occasions, people of those region they use these types of painting or the art form. So this is a ritual to them. Now let us start our video. Watch it properly and you should try to do it. It is a type or form. If you want to do some other drawing also, you can also practice. I have shown you one easier form and I hope you will enjoy. So let's start. Take the white page and pencil. First of all, I have drawn with pencil. Then I have just highlighted the border with black pen, and then I have filled the painting with color. So I hope you will enjoy.